Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rob the TX Realtor, and we are going to dive into the floor design that I received a few days ago from you. I'm going to give you my pros and cons on it and also show you what I selected to do on the rehab. Let's go. So here on this design, I like that you kept the toilet and the sink there because the plumbing is there. So let's keep in mind here, we're trying to save as much money as we can, but still make the place functionable and livable. So we got the entry here, which is good. You kept the kitchen, you got the sink here, which is good because the plumbing all runs through here. So there's not much to do with the plumbing line. The only thing is we have to run across for the tub shower from the toilet. So I don't know if that's it's doable. It's doable, and that's fine. The fridge on the other side is fine, which is over here. The stove is over here, which is fine. What else? This is all extra money. This is extra countertop and extra space taken for a small unit for just one person to rent out. The living space up here is fine. The bedroom might be a little tight over here, but overall it was good. Like I said, the only thing is just running the plumbing for the tub across, and then this over here, the bar stool and the countertop. That's extra money, not needed at a small unit. On to the next one. This design is the closest one to the floor plan I decided to go with. So good job on this one. You kept the plumbing here, which is great. The only thing I wish is that this sink will be right behind here. So like that, all the plumbing is there. I don't have to do much. I do have to run the plumbing on this side, but that's fine. It's not bad, a little bit far. There's other ways around it to keep it close, but I like that. I love the bed here because you have all these windows that gives a lot of natural light. I love the living room here. The kitchen is all open. I like this. This design is good. The only thing I would have done different is put the sink over here and then have the kitchen over here and then have the living room over here. But overall, it was good. Yeah, this was good. This was really good. Actually close to the one that I almost went with. But on to the next one. Here is the design that I decided to go with. Like I mentioned before, the sink and the toilet was there already, so that's good. The plumbing was there. So now we got to work around that. So I decided to put the kitchen sink right over here, right behind the sink. So like that, it's easy. It's an easy connection. I ended up closing up the walls here, which was good. And then since the plumbing is on that wall already, just might as well put the shower long enough so like that they have enough space to take a shower here and put the shower head right over here. Small little entry, which is this little small entry is already there. We just had to reframe it, which doesn't cost much. This is a closet / storage / office room. They could do whatever they like. They got 2 windows, so that's a lot of good natural light. So that's good for them. This will be the bedroom with a ceiling fan. They got the little window AC. So it's pretty cool. They have a little front porch here as well. So they could come out from their bedroom, go to the porch, or park the car and come right in. Into the bedroom if they like, but this will be the main front entrance to the apartment. And then once you come in, on the left you'll have your gas range, which will be right below your window. So like that, if they need air or the smoke or the hot air to come out as a vent, they could just open up the window and then let that out. So that was good. So what else? The fridge is right here, so just in case if I ever want to add a water line, the plumbing once again is on this wall, so I can hook up to the fridge. You got 2 cabinets. You got the living room area right over here. This will be open for whatever they want to do. And yeah, and that's about it. So this is the design that I end up going with, and then I'm gonna show post another video on story, walking through the house tomorrow, showing you guys and walking through you physically what we've done so far. But once again, thank you guys for submitting your designs, your floor plans. I was able to take some ideas from it. And also I wanted to get the creative juice flowing, because real estate, it's full of a bunch of things. And one of them is designing, especially if you're doing fixer-uppers or if you're doing new construction. You want to know the function of the design, the function of the floor plan, and what's cost efficient. Because at the end of the day, it's money coming out of pocket, and you hope to get it back. And I hope you enjoyed it. Till the next one. Talk to you guys later. Goodbye.